We just pulled this FJ Cruiser out of the shop and we did a bunch of awesome upgrades to the interior to maximize the amount of storage space. If you want to see more cool videos about this truck, check it out on our YouTube channel because we featured a bunch of the other upgrades on a different video. This FJ is used by a company called Adventure Explorations, and they do a bunch of awesome outdoor guided adventure trips, whether fishing, biking, shotgun shoots, a whole bunch of cool stuff. So if you're in the area, check them out. Let's check out the back of this thing and we can show you what it's all about. So here it is. We've got 3 different drawers from ARB that we've installed into the back of the FJ Cruiser. As you can see, the second row has been deleted and we used a base plate from Goose Gear to do that. Now you can order this Goose Gear plate in a couple different sections and we opted to order everything from Goose Gear, so it includes the rear plate and then both left and right sides of the second row delete. We needed that to have a nice base platform to mount these drawers. These drawers fit just about perfectly in the back of this cargo area. We had to do a lot of measuring to make sure it all fits before we ordered them. ARB offers these drawers in a couple different configurations. This drawer like this is called their roller drawer, RD, if you go on their website and are looking for part numbers. This is their roller drawer. They also make another roller drawer with a roller top, which is pretty slick. So we mounted the fridge to the roller top. One thing that's kind of cool about the fridge is it's also got a little detent plate here. So if you want to remove the fridge, you can just pull it and it's got that lock plate right there, so you don't have to worry about your stuff sliding all over the place when you're out exploring. So there's a little detent, you just push it back in. We also, when we wire these things, anytime we wire a fridge, we ordered this extension cable, this coiled cable. It comes from a company called Wits End, and you can order it as a kit for depending on what kind of fridge that you have. But that way the wire's not binding and in the way whenever you need to add it. One other thing that we added are all these different organizers. And I'm gonna let the owner configure this the way he wants, but they make them in a small, medium, and large, and then they're designed to fit perfectly in each one of the drawers. So that's awesome. Like I said, this thing fits really tight, especially because we have this table, the ladder, and the rear bumper. The ladder affects how far open you can swing this door, and of course the table makes the tolerances, they're really tight. You can see that drawer is just about hitting the table, and this drawer just about brushes the corner there. All in all, I think we did a great job maximizing the space inside the back of this truck. The next thing I think we're gonna do is add some heavier coil springs, because when you look at it from the side, you can definitely tell that this thing with the box, all these boxes, the bumper is carrying a lot of extra weight. So I think we need to up the spring rate on the coil springs for the back. All in all, I think it turned out well. It is an awesome rig that they use a lot for their trips. You know, whatever you need to do, if you got to fillet a fish here or whatever it is an awesome base camp for this company, exactly what they do. So if you like this video, be sure to check out the other one on this FJ. It is a cool project. Thanks for watching it. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Have a great day.